Namaste and hello, this is your Sanskrit instructor welcoming you back into lesson number 177. In the previous video, you were told that we are going to learn about the nouns and adjectives with stem ending in ut, and we will focus on those that are formed with the suffix mut and vat. But before we actually get to that, we need to get ourselves set up and prepared for us to do that. So as you go along in the course, you're going to see what makes nouns with two stems, declining nouns with two stems, different from declining a noun that ends with a consonant that has one stem. You will see the difference as we go along, and you might actually see it here. So the nouns and adjectives with two stems are declined in the masculine and the neuter only. The feminine is formed independently, and that feminine, this we're going to learn at a later time, okay? You don't have to worry about that right now. The two stems are used as follows. So there's two stems. So there's two endings that you usually have to attach. That's what a stem is. It's something that you have to attach before you are adding your case endings. That's what the stem is. So in the last type of declension we did, the nouns only had one stem. You had to change it once, and then you had to add your case endings, and then change it according to the consonant sandhi. Now you're having two different stems. One is a strong stem, and one is a weak stem. In the masculine, the strong stem is used in the nominative, singular, dual, and plural. In the accusative case, the singular and dual number, and in the vocative, singular, dual, and plural. In the neuter, the strong stem is used in the nominative, accusative, and vocative plural cases. Now you must be wondering, what about the rest of the cases? So the rest of the cases is when you're going to use the other type of stem, and the other type of stem is called the weak stem. So you have a strong stem and you have a weak stem. And you will see what that is later on. So once you have your strong stem and your weak stem formed, then you're going to add the case endings. So the case endings are exactly like the case endings that we used. The case endings that we used when nouns with one stem were being declined. So these should look familiar to you. Now, the reason why the color coding is different, so that you can see what is being used in when are you using the strong stem and when you are using the weak stem. The rest that you don't see in red, the ones that are in black, those are going to be used for the weak stems. And as you can see in the top here, it says the case endings are those given when nouns with one stem were being declined. They are shown again here below the indication of those before which the strong stem is used. So again, the strong stems here that is highlighted in this red and orange, the strong stems are highlighted again here. They're coordinating in colors here in the table. And then the rest that are not highlighted in the red, those are going to be used for the weak stems. So this should set you up for the next step in learning how to decline nouns and adjectives formed with the suffixes mut and vat. And with that, this is your Sanskrit instructor signing off with a namaste.